Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use text input like a text box to take input from the user in React Native CLI using class and functional component. So how will we do this? Just I create a new component here and I say that is text input example.jsx, and here I say RAFCE class component, sorry, functional component I create here. Then I say view React Native, and I again say view here. So inside this view, because it's like a div tag, I want to create a text box, then button, and then change the value of this. So for that, first of all I say text input here, and then I close this, and here I save this, and I change this component to here also because it's a previous example. So I say here text input example like that, and I just remove this one, save this. Now you see we have the text box here, but we are not able to visualize it. So for that I give some information. I say here placeholder, and this placeholder I say enter name. I save this. You will see that we have here enter name, and I can put anything here. I can write something here, but here is not looking like a text box because we have to make some CSS kind of property. Then I say here that is style of this equal to styles dot style dot I say text input. Okay, so I need to create a style sheet also for that. So I say here style sheet, and then I create one object for that. I say const styles equal to style sheet dot create, and I create object inside this, and I say text input. Here I give the border width equal to 1. Then I say border color equal to I can have uh, red, green, blue, like this, red color. Save this, and you see text, we have border also. In place of this I can give gray color type of this, look like a text box like this. And then I give the width of this. I say width of this is 200 pixel like that. I can increase more to 300 like this. Now what I do, placeholder we have, I need to get the value which we are typing here. So I say on change text equal to, here I create arrow function inside this, and in arrow function we have the property like new value that will come. So I have to set this value to set name, and here I put new value like this. Now I create a state variable. I say const name set name use state, and here I initialize with blank value. Save this, and you see enter name is coming, value is this, and I can display this value here. For that I create separate view. Inside this I say text, and inside this I say value equal to name like this. It will display here whatever we will type. So text does not exist, so we import this also. Save this. You see that whenever I will type here I say Dr. Vipin Classes, so you see we have the same value here, but I want to update this value on the press of button. So I can create button also. For that I say after this text or before the text view, here I say button. from React Native, I say title is update name, like this, and I change the color of this button to red. Save this. So we have button here. Now I need to set the margin. So I say here style equal to styles dot we say button. So here I create this is for input, and here I say one more property. I say button, and I say margin from the top is 20 pixel. Save this. You see we have a space here. Then I say we need here also some space, so I put here style equal to styles dot heading, and this heading I can create here like that, and I say font weight equal to bold. Save this. You see bold we have. Then I say it is margin from the top, I say that is 10. Save this. Like this. I can increase font size also. I say 20. Save this. You see we have this. Now I want to change the name on the press of a button. So here I say on press, and I say handle press. Now I create this function also. So I say const handle press. This is the arrow function. I say set name. Set name, not we say display name. So here I create one more variable. I say display. I say set display equal to use state, like this. And here I say set display is name, which is coming from that, and here I need to display name, so I say display, like this. Save this. Now problem is handle press does not exist. Why? Because we have handle press here. Okay, spelling mistake is there, so I say handle press. Now you see this is working right now. So whenever I type some value here, I say Dr. Vipin Classes. So I press here button, then this value will display here. So like that way we design this, and we have the input, means like text box also. We have certain property also here. What are the properties? That we can you can say change the color of. So that is that we can change the color of this. So I say placeholder color, placeholder text color, and this color I can give here green, like this. Save this, and you will see that text holder color will replace to green also, but I need to but here in text box I need to remove this. You see we have enter name in a green color from this. Suppose I want to change the keyboard type. This is the text information is coming. I want to change it to numerical type. So I say keyboard type we have, and here I can say numeric, and save this. And you will see that whenever I will try to press something, you see this keyboard is changed to numeric, like this. We can do like this. Otherwise we have alphanumerical by default, so I remove this right now. I make it comment. So now it convert to text. We have placeholder also, we have this also, we have a style also, we have on change also. More property we have, but right now we use only these property to learn it and make it workable. Now we done this by using functional component. How we can change the same? By using class component, that we are going to learn here. For that I say here RCC, we convert this So I remove this from beginning because already I have exported in the bottom. So we have export statement here, this one. Now I copy this and I paste in place of this one. Save this. Now I need to import all the methods and the constants. So I copy this and I paste after this in a class. Now I make it comment. So I select this and I make it comment like this. So I make it comment because it's not work together. Now in class we do not use this const. These both are state variables, so I use state equal to, and here I say name equal to blank first time, then I say display is also blank. Right now save this and I remove these two. Now problem is here, in place of this button, this function, I say this dot handle, and display will be changed to this dot state dot display, and this name will change to set state, and set state will change with the help of object. I say name to new name like this, name to new name by using set state, and this is done. Now I need to change this, so this is not anything, set state, then I change display to name, that would be display to this dot name, this dot state dot name, and I just save this and refresh it. You see we done this. Now I type something here, I say Dr. Vipin Classes set state is not available, where this, so we have to click here this dot set state, save this. Once again I say Dr. Vipin Classes, I click here and you see we have the value. So you have seen that the same we can achieve with the help of class component also, and earlier we were using here a functional component. So if you are lover of object oriented programming, you love to work within a class, so you can use like this. But if you are a lover of JavaScript, you don't like classes, then you can use like this. So both I am explaining together for React Native CLI. So like this you can use text box or text input in your React Native CLI mobile application. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.